Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today is day 3 of me opening up 3 boxes of the Pixar 100. Oh, Pixar, Oscars, Disney 100, it's all the same thing. So yeah, I did pre-cut these, so if you're wondering why these are so easy to open, well, still not easy to open, but yeah. I figured it'll save me a few seconds. I've said in the past, I put these on TikTok, so I'm limited to only 10 minutes, so I have to save whatever time, whatever little time I can save. Alright, here we go. Come on, let's find some winner boxes. First one is a no, but there is always find something good. Nope, almost missed the card. Come on. A few people asked me about the giveaway, what happened. There was just no interest. Zero interest in the giveaway. I actually spent $3,000 in items to give away, and every video I would get like 700 watchers between TikTok and YouTube, and only like 6 or 7 people would comment. So yeah, there was just no interest in the giveaway. Unfortunately, I thought people would be really interested, but yeah, that's what happened with the giveaways. People just weren't interested. Oh, we have a 0 for 3. No winners. But yesterday we did pull this card, and we could pull what's called an embroidered card on the encased. So we could still pull something good. But yeah, that's what happened with the giveaways. I was planning on doing them every single week. I actually bought $250 in Starbucks cards to give away because I was planning on doing this 10 weeks. But yeah, there was no interest. I was shocked too. We got a Carl and a Jesse. So yeah, there was just no interest in them, so the time spent was just not worth it to me. Sorry. But being transparent, I don't know why, but people were not interested. We have a Carl, and we have a movie quote. This says, "Our fate lives within us. You only have to be brave enough to see it." I mean, I've seen different YouTube channels give away trash, and people are commenting left and right, so I don't know. Anyways, if you want any cards, let me know. Plushgamesandmore.com is my eBay website. I will be selling these unless I open them all. When I open them all, then, well, I won't be selling them anymore, will I? We have a Remy and a Jack Jack. Come on. Jesse and a Buzz. But yeah, I have sets in eBay. I have individual, I mean, you can purchase like 1 or 2 packs of cards. Let me know if you've seen me on YouTube or TikTok, and I will make you a deal. Here we got the 3 Brave guys. And we have the Claw. Come on, let's get a gold card. I don't want to have 3 blanks. We have Remy and Alfredo? Alfonso? Alfredo, right? I forgot already. Oh, there it is. Alfredo. We have a Bob Parr and a Jack Jack trying to shoot him in the head. And Nemo and Dory. So thank everybody for watching, even though there's no more giveaway. So I appreciate it still. Oh, we have a Carl on the chair. What does he say? Thanks for the adventure. Now go have a new one. Love, Ellie. Really cool movie. I should watch that again. We have a Malin and a Woody. Oh, here we go. We got a gold card. We have a Buzz Lightyear and the number number 7 out of 199. Amazing pull. Sweet. And if you want to buy him, he will be up. Whoops, I hit my camera. He will be up on eBay. Lotso and a Jack Jab. Yeah, so even if you don't get a winner box, you could really get a winner. I'm still looking for the 1 of 1 card, which I still haven't seen anybody pull one. I believe there's 10 of them out there. And there's only 2,000 cases of these cards, so it's amazing nobody has pulled it yet. Got a Ham or an Lotso. I mean, pulling one of those, I'm sure you're looking at probably like $5,000 depending on the character. If you focus on what you've left behind, you'll never be able to see what lies ahead. I wish I could read. Sometimes I can't read. Now we have a Lotso and a Jack Jack. Whoops, I moved the camera. My bad. We have a Joe and a Jesse. Another Joe and Remy. Is that rat named Emily or Emile? I don't know. Oh, we have the Claw. Nemo and Helen Parr. And whoops, he's upside down. We have a lenticular Buzz Lightyear. And sad Hank. Another Remy and a Wally. And last pack, and then hopefully we got something good in the other packs. Pew, pew. And we got another Russell. Alright, let's see what we got in these. Oh, we have a 3D Remy and Alfredo. Really nice, really nice. I like to keep them in the boxes so they stay safe. Oh, we have a film cell of Mamie or Turning Red or whoever this guy is. The Red Panda. Last but not least, come on. Oh, Bob Parr. We seem to be getting a lot of these. I think we pulled out 3 in the last like 9 boxes. So, whatever. He's sweet. Look at the colors on him. So, I'll take it anytime. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Here is our card that we pulled today, along with the card we pulled yesterday and the card we pulled the first day. So we've so far had a nice run of really nice cards. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and if I can get this in here. Don't fiddle fart around, get all your listings up. Take care everybody. Bye.